Hello everyone, it's really good to see you here. So today we are going to solve a GFG problem, which is minimum sum formed by digits. So what we have given here is that we have given an array of digits. Values are from 0 to 9, and we have to find the minimum possible sum of two numbers formed from digit of the array. So all digit of the given array must be used to form the two numbers. So we have to use each and every element of our array, and we have to form two such numbers after combining them so that the sum of that number is the minimum one. So how we can approach this problem is that, let's suppose we have given an n, that is 6, and we have given the elements for that particular length, that is 6, 8, 4, 5, 2, 3. So what we can do here is that we can sort it. So if we sort it, then will get something like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Then as you can see that here 2, 4, and 6 are in purple color, and 3, 5, and 8 are in blue color, right? So there is some reason behind it. So what we can do to solve this problem is that, let's suppose this is the ith index and this is the jth index. So basically whenever a element is divisible by 2, so that is I modulo 2 is, if it is equals to 0, then what we do, we just append it like this. So you can see that here this is 0th one, this is 2, and this is 4. That's why these indexes values got appended in an integer something like this. And in the same way, the odd index value also got appended or also got formed like this. So this one is 1, this one is 3, and this one is 5. So we got 358 as our odd value terms and 246 as our even value terms. And when we add both of them, then we got a required answer. And this is the minimum sum possible. So this is the approach. Now let's dive into the coding part of it. So here, firstly sort the array, and then int long int x basically um, is to make one of the numbers. So let's suppose x is for the 0 even index value, and y is taking care of the odd index value. Then we run a loop till the point I is less than n, and t is basically array of I. So let's suppose t is basically this 6. Then what we do, if our I modulo 2 is equals to 0, that is possible in this case, then what we do, we make our x as x equals to x star 10 plus t. So basically now our x is uh, which is initially 0, so 0 into 10, that is 0 plus 6. So now our x becomes 6, right? And the second way, when we come here, then our y become 8. Then in the next time, when our x is already 6, what we do, we just make 6 into 10, that is 60, plus 4, so we got 64. And the same way, for this one we get 642. So basically firstly we are sorting it, right, and then we are applying these conditions. So in this way we got 246 and 358 as our answer, and we are adding it to form or give a required answer. So this is the approach, and it is very simple approach actually. So basically in one go we have to make a number from the elements which are at even index, and in the second case we have to form a number from the element which are at odd index, and at the end we have to just sum up all those. So let's try to submit this up. So this is the approach to solve the problem, minimum sum formed by digits. And if you want to access the code, then you can check the GitHub link given in the description. And this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.